here's what we are dealing with. Things just need to be put where they belong. I don't think that that is an unreasonable request. But this is the Neobot. So you can see the hair that's on there. Love this thing. Hey guys, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Do you remember the spring cleaning dump list? This is what I am going to start on today. So I have been kind of debating within myself, what do I want to do first, laundry room or my office? The office, obviously I work in there all the time, but it is manageable. Like I can quickly, just a few minutes, kind of put things in order and enough to where I can sit down and have a work session and not be super distracted by the mess around me. However, our laundry room really needs help, and this could be pretty quick is kind of what I'm thinking. All we have to do is put things back in their place. I do want to do some DIYs in there. I want to maybe add some shelving in there. Obviously, that's not going to happen today. Today, all we're doing is de-junking, cleaning it out, and putting things back where they belong. If you saw my last video, you guys know. Ooh, this house is a little bit of a mess, and a few of you have commented like, oh my gosh, what have you been doing? And listen, life has been busy. I have been building a new brand. I'm doing online business school. I just made over this room right here, and we're starting in here because I feel good about this space. I think it looks beautiful and organized and put together and not cluttered up at all. So that's why I'm starting in here. It always makes me feel better when I walk through the other areas of the house that are like, whoa. I come in here and it's like, so let's go ahead. Let's start tackling some of what's on this list, and we're gonna start in the laundry room. All right, guys, here's what we are dealing with. We gotta take these upstairs into my son's room. We need to make that bed, which will actually take care of the upstairs room too, so bonus. We have a wash, our clothes in the dryer that we need to fold, put away. Here's the deal. These don't match, and I hate it. Absolutely hate it. But we've had that dryer forever, and she will not break. She will not break. I have honestly thought of sabotaging it because my husband is like, are you crazy? We're not gonna just go buy a new dryer because you want them to match. For the record, I just wanna say that I don't think that that is an unreasonable request. I really don't, but he does. And she is a trooper, so what do? You gotta pick your battles, and that's not one that I am willing to pick. So we have all of this stuff. A lot of it just goes right up here. Some of this stuff I just need to put in the cleaning bins, the cleaning areas over here. This we just need to clean out. I have towels in here that need washing, and then I've got these towels down here that I need to also wash because I just bathed Kai with all of that a couple days ago. And then I've just got to put this stuff back. So you'll see this shouldn't take that long. We are not completely organizing. There isn't actually a lot of junk in here. This right here goes, there's room for all of it right there, but I can't get to it because this is here. So let's get to it.
Down the moon and give that to
So if you don't know, Kai, he sheds a ton. like a ton. He is part lab. So we have to brush him. We Swiffer all the time just to kind of manage the hair loss and the shedding. But this is the Neobot and it is amazing. And so if you turn it on, in fact, hold on, let me just show you.
Takes all the hair, it's not anywhere. And sometimes it'll just suck it all in. I just wanted to hurry that up. But look at, not afraid of it at all. Tail is wagging. This has been one of the best things ever.
This is just where we ended up keeping this, but this is the one I do every single day. But then they also have this one right here, which is the de-shedding. And this is amazing and works, you know, the same way. You just go like that and it sucks it all back in. But this is definitely something that's awesome. So right here, it comes with a whole bunch of tools. Like lots of things. It's actually a trimmer. It comes with a razor, like all the things. I don't use any of this because he is not a dog that we have to groom that way. Just bathe him, brush him, we're good to go. But it does come with a ton of attachments. Sorry about the washer noise, but we're just gonna have to deal with that. Now this is a little spinny situation. It is awesome. I love using this to clean our shower. It is so good. Makes cleaning the walls, the windows, it's so easy. So easy. The shower doors, it just, love this thing. So this is something that I need to create a space for. Same with the Neobot. I need to create a space for that because these are new since we organized our stuff, which is why things are just everywhere. I'm just gonna put these in here. All right, another area down. Bed is made. So technically, this room is ready to go. So if my son and his girlfriend Maddie want to come visit, we are all ready. But this feels good. We are all vacuumed up in here. I just went around with my Swiffer and I dusted. So this feels good. This is one of my favorite rooms. I love this vibe. I have so many ideas of what I want to do with this space. I'm going to show you some inspo pics here in just a second, but I'm working with a really good foundation, and I think we're going to be able to make this a really, really pretty laundry room. I can't wait. It's going to take time, but I have a feeling it's going to be amazing. All right, guys, look it. We are cleaned and picked up. I have cleaned all of the floors. I redid all of Kai's situation there. So we are stocked underneath. This feels amazing, and I'm so happy we were able to get all of this done. Now, obviously, I have things in here that I don't quite have a home for yet. The Nia bought our cordless scrubber. So all of that I am definitely going to have to find a place for. I have room in there to add some shelving. I want to figure out a way to get our cleaning things like the brooms, the mops, the Swiffers up off the floor and kind of get them in their own cabinet. I do have room in there for maybe a taller piece of cabinetry, but we'll see. Over these next several weeks, might be a couple months if I'm to be honest with myself and realistic, but I do want to do a little like mini renovation in there. Think tiles, paint, enclosing the washer and dryer in its own like cabinetry, and putting some kind of countertop so that I would have a place, like a pretty place, to put our soaps and detergents and the fabric softener sheets, like all those things. Like we can create a space to make it look really pretty and clean and organized in there all the time. But I will eventually, and I will show you when we do that. I'll bring you along with me, and we'll go in and we'll start creating that vision board. So what I do is later at night when I'm just laying in bed and trying to fall asleep, I will hop onto Pinterest and I'm gonna start a board there of just like laundry room inspo. And then when we're ready to kind of tackle that area, we'll have something to kind of draw from. But down the road, we have enough to do. If you remember our list, it is so long. So we're just gonna, over these next few weeks, just knock things off one at a time. And I think today was a really good start because our laundry room was a space that we go in all the time. And what's really cool is just knowing that you can make a very messy, unhappy space just by putting things away, just by straightening up a little bit. All of that makes it a happy space. And now when I walk in there, it is not a stressful, anxiety-inducing moment. It actually feels really good. And even though it is not exactly as pretty as I would like it to be right now, it is absolutely manageable and feels so good to be clean. All right, guys, we've got a lot of cleaning coming up, a lot of just zhuzhing up these messier spaces, moving around home decor, all of that fun stuff. So if you've not hit that subscribe button, I would love it if you did. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you know when my next video is up, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.